Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video I am here with the new off-campus recruitment drive from the Capgemini company. Capgemini is conducting an off-campus recruitment drive for the 2021 pass out batch graduates. So we will see the eligibility criteria. So candidates graduated in 2021 pass out year, those candidates are eligible to apply. Academic qualification required, MCA, either MCA or BE BTech candidates. For BE BTech and MCA, this drive is open for all branches for both BE and BTech. ME MTech MSc students, open only for information technology, information science and computer science candidates. You should have minimum 50% and above in diploma graduation, that is aggregate of 8 semesters, and MCA aggregate of 6 semesters, then ME MTech and MSc. So in these graduation you should have minimum 50%. Candidates should not have any backlog at the time of appearing for the process. You must be flexible to relocate to any Capgemini location, work across technology domain role, and should be ready to work in shifts if required. Okay, should be open to sign the service level agreement at the time of joining. There will be service level agreement. Okay, that means bond. Okay, so please note that point, this point. uh, Only shortlisted candidates will be invited for the virtual evaluation process comprising of online assessment and interviews. We request the candidate to make necessary infrastructure arrangements, that is voice and video enabled laptop or desktop, stable internet connection, etc., to appear for the selection process. So this as this is a virtual drive, so what you need to do, you should have at least laptop or desktop with voice and video should be enabled, so that whenever the test will start, then they can see you. Then the assessment process is, there will be multiple choice questions based English communication test. Step 2 is game based aptitude test. Then step 3 is behavioral competency profiling, and step 4 is interview process. So only those candidates who have cleared test assessment, that is step 1 to step 3, will be invited for the interview. Okay, so that means if you crack MCQ test, game aptitude test and behavioral test, then and then only you will be called for the step 4, that is interview round. The behavioral profiling module is for understanding the innate profile of the innate profile of the candidate, for which we will share a work style report with the students who complete the behavioral profiling module. So for the third step they will share the work style report. Okay, and you need to complete that. So please note that receiving the work style report does not confirm the clearance of test assessment. Post successful completion of the hiring process, you will be groomed through an intense 8 to 10 weeks of central training program of Capgemini. That means once you get selected, once you are done with all the rounds till final round, and once you get selected in the company, then there will be 8 to 10 weeks of central training program will be conducted for you at Capgemini. For now it will be virtual only. So our training model offers best in class and unique learning experience and unleashes the potential in you. This training program will build it will build your confidence, your technology side skills. Okay, so it is like a great opportunity. Our training platform next, NEXT, you can, if you want, you can go through this link. I'll provide this link as well in the description box. It offers you a very customized learning journey with the plethora of courses from Coursera, Pluralsight, Udemy. The learning is immersive in nature with focus on hands-on, supported by subject matter experts from projects team in addition to the day-to-day coaching of faculty members. The training is imparted on diverse technologies, inside and data, digital technologies, enterprise application solution, cloud infra services, web technologies, testing and system technologies. The allocation of technology depends on the business demand and your credentials. So while we prepare you through our training, coaching and mentoring, you also earn salary for the entire duration that you are being trained. Okay, so that means during your training program there will be a training program of 8 to 10 weeks at Capgemini. So during this training program you will get your salary. Okay, so post registration in the tool, you need to apply for the job profile to participate in the event. So you just need to click on register now button and you need to fill all these details, and last date to register is 7th of March 2022. Test assessment for registered students will begin from 8 March 2022 onwards. So all these details are shared. So to apply for this, click on register now button. So to apply for this, click on register now button. Now you can see, so application deadline, you can see here 10th of March. It may be extend up to 10th of March, but here they have already mentioned here 7th of March. It may extend up to 10th of March, and your CTC will be 3 lakhs to 3.8 lakhs per annum. Okay, so if you want to read, you can read this once again. Click on directly apply now button and enter your mail ID here. Let me enter any mail ID. Now click on register and apply button. Now you will see the details here. You will see the form. Okay, all these details you need to fill. You also need to fill contact details, your current education, most recent education, previous education, internship and work experience, your profile photo and documents, and once you are all done, then submit all these details. Okay, so in this way you can apply for the Capgemini drive, and please share this video with your friends as well so that they will also get a chance to apply. And thanks for watching this video.